2018 Jeep Wrangler JK. The Wrangler JK is built with adventure in mind. Its rugged style is paired perfectly with power and performance. Not to be outdone, the interior comes equipped with plenty of technology, storage, and sound system capabilities.
This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, aluminum wheels, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, floor mats, four-wheel drive, AM/FM stereo radio, bucket seats, power door locks, fog lamps, CD player.
This vehicle is CARFAX certified one owner and qualifies for CARFAX buyback guarantee.
If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.